When most people think of Singapore, they picture Marina Bay Sands, futuristic skyscrapers, and one of the world's most modern cities. But after visiting Little India several times, I've realized this is one of the places that best explains what Singapore is really about. Every time I come here, I notice something different. The colorful surroundings here, the traditional shops, and the very busy markets are something else. It feels completely different from the Singapore that most tourists see first. What I find interesting isn't just only the fact that Little India is very different, but also because Singapore has managed to preserve places like this while becoming one of the world's most modern countries. Instead of everything looking the same, each neighborhood has its own identity. As I walked through the market again today, I watched families shopping together, people buying flowers for religious offerings, and small businesses serving the local community. This just shows that Singapore isn't defined only by its skyline, but also by the people and cultures that have helped shape it. I personally think that is something many first-time visitors don't expect. They come looking for futuristic Singapore, but they leave remembering places like this. If you've only seen Marina Bay or Orchard Road, you've only seen one side of Singapore. Come somewhere like Little India, and you'll discover another side that is just as fascinating. I'm Kojo. I've traveled across the world, and I break down simple questions about different countries so you can understand how things really work.